Hey there everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to Imagination Tech. So for years we've been installing Betaflight on our desktop and our laptops, going to the Betaflight website to download the specific configurator which matches the specific firmware you're going to install onto your quad, and installing drivers, especially if it's a new setup, a new laptop or computer, and hoping nothing breaks. But now that's a thing of the past because Betaflight is now a web app, or rather a progressive web app, which means no setup, no installs. You just go to the website and it runs. Stay tuned. So I'm feeling a little bit stupid because I just released a video on how to install Betaflight on your computer from scratch just last November, and 2025.12 came out in December. And that's because I wasn't really reading the release notes on Betaflight Configurator. So apparently since October 6th they announced that this was now a progressive web app. So let me just tell you a little bit about what a progressive web app. So we have your traditional apps like platform-specific apps like the old Betaflight configurator, which you install on your laptop or computer, and this has the advantage of getting integrated with better integration with your OS, so you get access to the USB, the ports, and everything. Websites, on the other hand, traditionally did not have access to your whole computer or access to your serial ports, etc. So now this is a progressive web app, which is the best of both worlds. So this means that you just go to the website, you can access your Betaflight, your USB ports, your serial ports, so you can access your flight controller, update your firmware. And you can also install this on your computer if you choose. So yeah, it's the best of both apps. So this was announced back in October 6, 2025, and I was not aware of it. So that's why I released my guide on how to install Betaflight Configurator, which now is not really important anymore. So going to the release notes, looking over the release notes of Betaflight and Betaflight Configurator. The first thing that they discussed was that there is an app that you can access, and they link to it online. So now everything is here. You just go to app.betaflight.com. You can connect your Betaflight flight controller, and I've already created a video. I've already recorded the video on setting up Betaflight 2025.12 on your quad. I mean, 2025.12 release candidates have been around for a couple of months now, but the official release was just last December. So if you intend to install this on your computer, I mean, it's great that you can just run it on your browser. But in case you want to install this on your computer, there's an icon here on your browser that says install Betaflight, and this will install this on your desktop as well. So now you can access this as as a separate window from your browser, right? And even with a web app, even with a website, once you don't quote me on this, but I've tried putting my laptop on airplane mode, and the web app still runs. So if I put it on airplane mode, this is going to render my mouse useless. But if I go to app.betaflight.com, it still it still runs. It's not going to be able to load any of the firmware because obviously it needs a connection, but yeah, that's something. And the advantage of having a progressive web app is now you don't need to make any updates or install new updates to the configurator every time they release a new version, because it's online, it's connected online. It automatically updates and just tells you if it needs to update, if in case you have installed it on your device. So yeah, that is just going to be a quick video. Just wanted to show you why the new Betaflight 2025.12 configurator has made installing Betaflight on your laptop practically redundant. So that's the new Betaflight configurator app. It's still new, so we don't know if it performs well. It did. I was able to configure a whole quad from scratch, update firmware, etc. If there's gonna be new bugs in the future, we don't know yet. It's probably a little bit early days for this, but yeah, this is really great. It makes it easier than ever for everyone to get into FPV and configure their quads. And it's also a big shift in the way our FPV tools are built. We've seen our ESC configurators being online for quite some time now, but now the whole Betaflight configurator is also accessible online. So let me know in the comments if you've tried the new web version of this or this progressive web app version of Betaflight 2025.12, and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So I'm just going to keep this video short. Hope you found this information useful, and as always, make sure you click on that like button, hit on subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and as always, keep building and keep flying.